If you're experiencing connection errors in Valorant, specifically error code 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary connection issues. Step 3. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help refresh your internet connection and resolve any connectivity problems. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Valorant. Add Valorant to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the firewall/antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Update network drivers. Make sure your network driver is up to date. Go to your device manager, find your network adapter, and check for any available updates. Updating your drivers can improve connectivity and performance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the connection error 2026 in Valorant. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.